Hey friends, if you wish to download images from Google Docs, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now we have two images here and I want to download them. I don't want to screenshot them, plus I cannot screenshot them easily without reducing the size or blurring the quality. So it's very easy. Click on File, select Download, select Web Page Zipped. Okay, now this will download a zip file to your system. So click on this folder here or go to the Downloads folder. Right click on the zipped file, select extract, click on extract. Now go to the images folder and you will find these images here. Okay, I will show them in extra large size. You can open them using the Photos app or you can open them using the Paint app or any other app. These are images and I will right click on them and then I'll check the properties to tell you the image type, which is JPG. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.